Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. For many people, washing dishes is the worst part of their day. Not only is it monotonous, but the products we use can be harmful. Most store-bought detergents contain several different substances that are bad for our health. These products contain dyes, fragrances, formaldehyde, methanol, and other chemicals that can affect your hormones and organs, and even cause cancer. Even though the amounts of these substances are very small, there's always a little residue left on the dishes after they're washed, and it builds up every time the detergent is used. Now that you know, why not try and find an option that's both better for your health and for the environment? The recipe we're going to show you today is an excellent alternative to traditional products. It's also natural and super cheap. One of the main ingredients is borax, a natural mineral that's used to make cleaning products. Its properties help remove several different kinds of dirt, and it doesn't harm the environment. Now that you know a little about this recipe, here's how to make it. Ingredients: 1 3/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of grated bar soap, if possible, a homemade coconut soap, 1 tablespoon of borax, 15 to 20 drops of essential oils, any fragrance, you can buy them at a health food store. Instructions: boil the water and add the grated bar soap and borax. Mix until the soap has melted. Add the essential oils. Let the mixture cool for 6 to 8 hours. Stir every once in a while. When it cools, pour into a bottle. And now your natural cleaning product is ready. Try it out and tell us your thoughts. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.